Also developing tonight, part of a new law meant to create more oversight of county sheriffs has been temporarily blocked from taking effect tomorrow. A Thurston County Superior Court judge just heard the arguments of a lawsuit brought on by 4 Eastern Washington sheriffs who call the new rules unconstitutional. KOMO's Jackie Kent was at that emergency hearing this afternoon. She has the update from Olympia.
Senate Bill 5974 is the legislation that would let a state board remove an elected sheriff from office under certain conditions. Some sheriffs have labeled this law as too broad, even a violation of First Amendment rights. Ultimately, the judge determined that some of the language is unconstitutional. A tense emergency hearing covering a lawsuit filed by sheriffs from Spokane, Oreille, Stevens, and Ferry counties to block a controversial new law. It states the Criminal Justice Training Commission could deny, suspend, or revoke a sheriff's certification or require training if a sheriff says something or makes posts online that could be considered prejudicial or discriminatory.
We as sheriffs, we're not hiding from accountability. We are absolutely accountable to the people that elect us. This is really about protecting free and fair elections and protecting our voters' rights.
Supporters say the law is meant to boost public trust and confidence in the criminal justice system by helping to prevent misconduct and enhance accountability for peace officers and corrections officers.
It's perfectly constitutional to discipline public employees for engaging in hate speech or various other types of activity that would cause the public to question whether they would actually be treated fairly by that public employee.
In court filings, the sheriff's attorney Mark Lamb argues the law is overly broad and a violation of the First Amendment. The judge ordered a temporary stopgap in enforcing the law as the lawsuit is pending.
Those provisions will not, concerning elected sheriffs, will not go into effect.
And we just got the update from attorneys about the specific parts of the law deemed invalid, and those concern eligibility requirements for sheriff candidates. We'll have the full breakdown listed at KOMOnews.com. For now, reporting in Olympia, Jackie Kent, KOMO News.
When Governor Bob Ferguson signed this bill into law, he noted that the process to remove someone from office could improve. He said he'll be looking at that in the next legislative session.